Okay, so this is our first AP Chemistry video. In this, I'm going to teach you how to translate from a chemical formula into a written equation. We hear some students in the background studying and working hard. So say, for example, I have Na plus Cl2 giving me NaCl. The way that I would translate this is I have just sodium. When you see that plus sign in a reaction, what that means is it's reacting. So sodium reacts with, and as we know, even though that's Cl2, we don't say it's dichloride or anything like that. We just call it chlorine because it's one of those polyatomics that NaH role. Sodium reacts with chlorine. We see this arrow. The arrow means to yield or to produce. Either way is fine. And instead of calling this sodium chlorine, we know from previous videos that we then call it sodium chloride. And that's how we translate it. Another example here would be if we have MgSO4 plus Ca giving CaSO4 plus Mg. So when we look at this, we know that we have magnesium. We recognize SO4 is sulfate, so again, we name this as magnesium sulfate. And we know that plus sign means reacts with. And calcium standing alone is just calcium. To yield is what that arrow represents. Okay, I'm gonna turn it. To yield calcium sulfate and magnesium. So for AP level, what you'll be asked to do tomorrow is to translate, oops, I spelled that, is to translate the formulas into written equations.